Yann Martel was born on June 25, 1963 in Salamanca, Spain. He is the son of French-Canadian descendants. His parents' names are Emily and Nicole Martel. Yann's dad, Emily, was a successful writer and also a diplomat for the Canadian government. Yann and his family traveled to many places. This was because Emily's work made him travel. Because of this, the Martel family visited countries such as Costa Rica, France, India, Iran, Mexico, Turkey, Canada, and the United States. Visiting many countries helped Yann to write in different ways because they all had very diverse culture. Even though Yann didn't live with his parents anymore, he still traveled to many places. Yann attended Trinity College School from 1981 to 1984, but then graduated from Concordia University with a BA in philosophy in 1985. Before he became a writer, Yann had some strange jobs. The jobs that he had were a tree planter, librarian, dishwasher, parking lot attendant, and a security guard. But then at the age of 27, he became committed to writing. Yann's first few works were not successful. Yann went to India for inspiration, and inspiration he found. During his 13 years spent in India, he remembered about a book called Max and the Cat by Mark Siklar. With this inspiration, he took notes of India's beauty and Indian people's lifestyle. This is where The Life of Pi was born. Life of Pi is about a boy named Pi Patel that lives with his family in India. Pi's father, Santosh, decides to sell the zoo that they own. Pi and his family decide to move to Canada for a better life. A tragedy happens when the Patels are on the boat. The boat sinks. The only survivors were Pi Patel and a tiger that is named Richard Parker. They both have to trust each other and work together to survive. They work together and find land. This land was the Gulf of Mexico. After the arrival to the Gulf of Mexico, the tiger and the boy never see each other again. The Life of Pi became Yann's greatest writing. Yann's book won the award of the Booker Prize. The book was such a hit that it became a movie. The Life of Pi was directed by Angie Lee and was released in 2001. The movie received 4 Academy Awards, which were Best Director, Best Cinematography, Best Visual Effects, and Best Original Score. On October 9, 2009, there was an event where the One Drop Foundation broadcasted a huge planetary event involving 14 cities and Yann's poem, What the Drop of Water Had to Say. This event was to raise awareness to protect oceans from pollution like the Gulf of Mexico incident. The poem is about how the moon realized that Earth was drying up and the sun tried to convince the moon to pick another planet because Earth was already dried up. The moon disagreed and both the moon and the sun heard something come from Earth. What spoke to them was a drop of water, and this drop of water told them how beautiful Earth was and that Earth can be saved. After listening to the drop of water, the sun and the moon agreed that Earth can be saved.